right? So I think I can give you now topic for the discussion, and then you can write it, think for 30 seconds, and then we can start. Okay, Arun, can you hear me? Arun, can you hear me? Surya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I could able to hear you.
Rahul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I was a little late, sir. What was the topic?
I'm just dictating topic. I'm just giving you topic. So please write the topic.
It's a JD, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please write work from home, good or bad. Work from home, good or bad. That is the topic. So I think now we can start, and I start from Sher Bahadur.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sher Bahadur Yadav, and I am very glad that I got the opportunity to initiate the topic, which is work from home, good or bad. In my opinion, it depends. Most of the time, it depends upon the situation. Since we have a different type of industries, depending upon manufacturing, depending upon the power plant, depending upon the IT sectors, pharmaceuticals, and food and beverages. There are so many industries are there. So we can't. I can't say that, it is good in all the conditions or it is bad in all the conditions. But if it is IT sector, so sometimes it's good. In case of power plants and all, sometimes it's not that much good because power plant is there, so we have to physically present there. But if we'll take about the along with that, if I'll take about the women's in that case, so. And especially women who are on the maternity leave in that type of scenario, work from home should be there because even though maternity leave will be there, they are getting paid also. They can work from home along with the earning the money also. So they can complete their office work also, and the office work will not hamper, and they will continue to do their work. But regarding the power plant, your presence, you cannot bring your complete power plant at home, and our technology is not such that we can access whole the power plant from your home also, because if you do like that, some technology is also there is some malfunction and all, so there will be a problem. We will give some command to that, but maybe this command will not reach there, then process will hamper and plant will maybe burst out. So it's not better in case of plants, and but in case of girls, for their safety, it's good for work from home. So this is my opinion, friends, but I'll invite all of you to participate in this discussion and give your opinion also. Thank you.
Okay, Rahul.
Good evening, friends. Thanks for the opportunity to initiate this discussion. The topic given today to us is work from home, good or bad. Actually, work from home or the remote working, as they call, got widespread during the lockdown, but as of January 2021, still even after the pandemic lockdown, 98% of TCS and Infosys employees still work from home, and TCS and Infosys, the tech giants, are even planning to bring a full-fledged work from home policy. So with this context, we have to discuss what are the benefits and is it good or bad. I want to point out the topic. We need to clearly understand the topic. It is good or bad for employees, it is or the organization or the economy as a whole. We need to discuss. I think we need to discuss all the three. With this note, I would like to initiate this discussion.
Great. So now I want Vishal to go forward.
Hello. Good evening. My name is Vishal Bhardwaj, and I'd like to take the opportunity to introduce this topic, that is work from home, good or bad. So I'd like to tell you that sectors, that we can see it from employee perspective, we can see it from company perspective, and we can see it from society as a whole or economy perspective. So for employee perspective, there are some good points and there are some bad points also, as well as for company and society. So good point for employee perspective is that employee can save time, save traveling time, so that they can increase their productivity, and also get employee also get more time to spend with family. But on the contrary, employee lacks teamwork, means they don't get to socialize with friends, and they don't get to make new friends as when it was when they were working offline or physically. And also for employee perspective, they has to set up the office and whole office environment in their home only. But as we know in India, means there are still some people, or very large number of people are there. They don't have the access to Wi-Fi and all these facilities, and they don't have enough space in their homes to set up a office environment. So that's the problem. But when we talk about the company perspective, from company perspective, good points are that company can save money and resources in setting up the office, or means AC bills, and these kind of money can be saved. But bad points are there, that teamwork is missing here. Means they company which that, like that Shet Bahadur said, that manufacturing company, all the companies cannot work on online or work from home basis, this system. And also a society, we from this work from home option that increases due to COVID-19 pandemic, we get the opportunity to digitalize, or to make more use of this Zoom meetings, Teams, Microsoft Teams, and we get to use this more often. So this e-learning, so these things are also good. So yes, so I'd like to open the house for the discussion on that note. Yeah.
Okay. So now I go for Anil.
Good evening, friends. My name is Anil Kumar. So today the topic given is work from home is good for good or bad. So the topic given is important from the job point of view. So as we know that due to COVID-19, work from home culture started. So the work from home is having some advantage and some disadvantage also. The advantage part is here we can save the travel time. Here we can save the travel time, and here we can spend time with the family, and that there is no location problem. So we can do job in our home. We are not go to the another city to do job at all. And the disadvantage.
You have gone mute, Anil. Please unmute. Anil, is there?
The disadvantage part is the home cannot provide the professional atmosphere like company, and there may be the work-life balance. So with this note, I open the discussion to start the discussion.
Okay, Surya.
Hello friends, I would like to talk about the topic work from home. And thanks for giving me the opportunity for talking. There are both advantages and disadvantages for this new thing which came due to this pandemic, like work from home. Because as our friends told, I will completely agree with them, and I will add few more points like advantages. First, I will like to talk about advantages, and the advantages are flexible schedule, and also we can customize our environment, because we can sit in our in the room which we are comfortable, and like zero commuting, like I mean like no traveling at all, like we can save money but in like we can save money by cutting the unnecessary travel, and also we can spend more time with family, and also no traffic jams and no busy crowds, etc. So these are the advantages. And coming to the disadvantages part, the main problem is our willpower may be affected, because at home there won't be that motivation to complete the targets on time. So targets may be crossed, like we can't reach the deadlines that effectively. And sticking to a routine is another thing, because daily if we are sitting at home and talking about the same thing and without seeing another any persons of our colleague directly, it may affect, like it may cause boredom to us, and this may affect our speed of working. We might work slowly and thinking like we can save money, but the thing is we often order online food if we stay at home, because like we need to spend more like, since it is not effective, we need to spend more time for doing the same amount of work at home. So there won't be time for cooking in many cases. So we might be ordering online food from the food delivery platforms, and this may affect our health. This is one of the possibilities, and there is a great chance like taking more number of power naps after eating, and this may cause time, because generally after eating everyone will get sleep if we are staying at home, and this is one of the thing we need to think. And like as one of our friends told, like internet connectivity is a problem, so all of the people can't be having good Wi-Fi at the home. And since there is no monitor to see our work, our progress in work, so it may make us lag. Apart from the, like there are other advantages and disadvantages also. Finally, I want to like one thing, like it doesn't matter, like grass is always greener on the other side. Like we think of talking with colleagues, chit-chatting in cafeterias and friends when we are in office. And if we are working in office, then we will think about like if it will be good if we are staying at home, etc. And IT service companies.
Today you are to cut you short, 2 minutes only.
Okay, sir. I would like to stop here, and I would like to open the discussion for the other team members.
Okay, Akash.
Yeah. Hello, team. I have also some points. Like we know that why work from home come into the picture, because to stop the spread of the COVID-19, and this a lot improve the safety of our country. That's why this come in picture. So the first benefit, I think, this is the time utilization. We can properly utilize the time. We are saving a lot of time in traveling and cut out the unnecessary and wasteful times. Our efficiency is also increased, and we are also doing extra saving, that we are working from home and we are saving rent a lot. And like living in high class cities, we are investing a lot of money there. And also we are giving more time to our family. We can work from anywhere, and like working couples have also getting some time to spend time with each other. So there is a good work-life balance. On the other hand, coming to the bad effects of the work from home, that the most important point is that the stress is increasing, that we are actually combining our work life and our our family life together, and this is increasing our mental stress. The other most important point is the economy. Our economy is affecting badly, because when we are working from the offices, we are going to the office, we are also paying rent. So money is moving in the market. Many small vendors have lost their jobs. Many canteens have stopped by this work from home. Even the rent of the buildings in the high class cities is totally vacant, and all the vendors are going back home because of this. So this is also putting a bad effect on the economy of our country. Also, many people are working from home, so they are not following a proper schedule. That also leads a reason for them to the decline in their health. So these are some points. So I will open the panel for the discussion also. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I think everybody has introduced. First round of introduction is done. And now we will go for the second round, in which you are to very smoothly talk. first fellow will talk and then let him speak and then you will talk, something like that. So without any disturbance, I think we should have a very smooth discussion. No extra marks will be given to whosoever will speak first. So speaking first has no additional marks associated. So if you think I will talk first and I will get marks, it is not attached. Everybody will speak, marks will be given for smooth talking, letting others speak, and you also speaking. For that, marks will be given. So let me repeat again, speaking fast or early or first will have no advantage. You will be getting advantage only of what you are speaking and letting others speak, and you are also speaking properly. That will be done. So now I open the house for the discussion before we conclude, and I ask each one of you to conclude. So please go
Hi
ahead.
friends, as you people have said that, most of the people have said that means time management and means we should go for the work from home. So you see before COVID-19 is the just situation which came suddenly to us. But before that, you see in any company, even only IT sector was offering work from home to most of the people. But apart from the IT sector, your presence was necessary in case of plant and all. So in those type of plants where your presence was necessary, they are providing your residence inside the plant itself, and they are providing the bus also for their mutation from one place to another place. So for time saving, as far as time saving concern, you people are discussing, and cost saving and money saving you people are discussing, that was borne by the company only. Now coming to the IT sector, you said that means they are providing the work from home only in case of special timings, right? Only in 1 month, 1 or 2 days or 3 days only. You have to live in the same city. You have to travel also. But the company's productive time was not going to hamper. If you have to work 9 to 5, 9 to 6, you have to work from 9 to 5, 9 to 6, right? So the same amount of hour you are working there also, even if you are living there. And regarding work from home, so you will also live there. You have to most of the time if you are living in the rural areas, you might not have that much good of internet connectivity. In this case, I'll favor work from home in the case of women's. If the women's are there, because their safety is also important. If they are working in the night time, their night shift is there. So at that time, I'll strongly suggest that the work from home culture should be there for them, because they have to take care of their child also, take care of the family also. Along with that, they have to do the job also. So for the in case of women's, that is very important, and especially if they are pregnant and they are on the maternity leave and they are getting paid also at that time, because that is very necessary, because they are going a routine checkup for their itself. So at that time, it is very important we provide work from home to them. Okay, so means at that time they will have no mental stress also, and there will be no effect on their child also, and there will be no effect on the children. Their physical health will be very good. And as some data says that if the work means if we'll increase only 10% of the women into the workforce, we can contribute $777 billion to the GDP by 2025. So it's very important we offer more women's to the jobs and work from home too, so that they will be empowered that we have to work from the home itself. They will be empowered from the work from home, and they will come to the they will live at the home, they will do the work, and our GDP also increase with the economy purpose also. So
okay,
if I would like to add to this discussion. Actually, since we have discussed most of the benefits of the work from home, I would like to point out some of the unnoticed points here. First of all, the productivity of the employees. Some studies shows, only some study. I repeat, only some studies shows the productivity of the employees may increase by 20 to 25%. This first point, I think. The second benefit of the work from home is to the environment. 35 this pollution due to the commutation of employees. As you can see in Delhi or Mumbai, in rush hours, how many people, a mass movement of people in their private vehicles as well as in public vehicles. So if we can reduce this commutation of mass millions of people, especially in India, we can reduce considerable amount of pollution, especially in big cities like Delhi and all. In Britain, there is a study. It shows 31% of environment pollution decreased during lockdown. that is the second benefit I would like to point out here. And third one is the few social distractions. That means there will not be any office gossip. There will not be any chit chat in office. These kind of things tend to reduce, and the productivity again tend to increase. Now coming to some of the disadvantages of the work from home. Actually, employees, we just say that we may feel that it is comfortable, but actual fact is employees tend to work more than the office hours from home. So sometimes they don't get the work-life balance as we tend to believe. That is the first disadvantage. And second disadvantage is difficulty in monitoring performance from the organization perspective. And third one is again from the organization perspective, data protection and security concerns. You see, banks do not allow, they cannot allow from work from home because of this security concerns, data protection and security concerns. Third one is most important thing is I would like to say, actually the environment of the home tend to upset. You see, children can't play, children's TV, anybody or your parents cannot play TV. So this kind, especially when the home is very small and there is very little privacy as a home office space. So we all have to adjust according to the family members. All the family members have to adjust according to this culture, according to this employee, for one employee. So the home environment will be completely upset, I think. Especially also the telecommunication cost of the employee increase. Actually, it is a benefit for organization, but may not be to the employee because all we are using all the personal equipments, laptops, telecommunication charges, internet charges, all these things. Third one is another point is. There may be connectivity issues as Sherbadu said. And also some studies show the online meetings are more effective, but some studies show the offline meetings, face-to-face meetings are more effective. I don't know which one is true. Also the loss of gig workers it is a main important problem, I think, gig workers associated with the office space. So with this, I think these are my points.
To add to my friend, that office chit chat leads to less productivity. I think it's this topic in another way. The office chit chatting and discussion on tea or coffee is very much crucial or very much important for the productivity, I think, because some kind of recreational activity or refreshment is very much necessary for a person to work in a very efficient manner or very good manner. So that's what I think. And of course, for this work from home opportunity, women will be very much beneficial, as one of my friends said, because in India it is considered women are supposed to be take care of their homes and children. It is considered in 2021 also that women is responsible for this job. So by work from home, women will get this opportunity to work also professionally. They'll also develop, but along with taking care of their children. And also mental health of the people with this work from home will be affected very much severely, because there's no difference between professional life of a person and personal life of a person, because you don't get to socialize much in this work from home environment. You only your office. Earlier what happened was that people used to work in offices, and they come to their homes freely, with a free mind, with a fresh mind, that work is left there in their office. Now they have to enjoy with family and this kind of thing. So yes, these are my points. Thank you.
Yes, I would like to consider the points which our friend told, and I would like to add few more points this work from home culture will benefit women very much, because especially during night shifts, as our friend Mr. Sher Bahadur told, and also some other advantages are like flexible schedule. A flexible schedule means we can work whenever we require, and also we no unnecessary chit chats in the office. In the office, we generally unnecessary talkings will be happening, but we can't. It won't be happening at home. We can go somewhat focus will be more, and also we can save money instead of unnecessary traveling. We can stay at home and save money. And some of the disadvantages are we can't clearly distinguish the personal and professional life, as one of our friends told, because in pre-COVID period, in office we used to work, and at home we can dedicate our time to family, but now it's not the situation. And also the rest of the family members should habituate to our culture, because we can't allow, generally kids play at home by shouting, etc., and now we can't allow that, because our work may be disturbed. And some other points will be like mental health will be mostly affected because of the boredom which we feel at the home, because no other colleagues will be there, so we need to self-motivate for doing the work. These are my points.
As many of my friends raised the point of the girl safety and women work from home. So yeah, this is also important, but one side we are talking about the equality of that. If we are just thinking about the safety and we are giving work from home for that purpose only, their efficiency will also be affected. If we are coming for work from, just like my friend Sher Bahadur said, that many of the industrial or manufacturing unit jobs cannot be done from the work from home. So it is also implies to the women also that they also cannot work from home if they are working in such a factory or such a power plant or any substations like that. So work from home is entirely depend on the type of work you are allotted to work in your factory or in your office. If you are in IT sector, definitely you are getting a lot of opportunity to work from home. And yes, IT sector are doing really well by this work from home. They are reducing their offices from 4 offices to 1 office just for the purpose of documentation work. They are reducing their buildings. They are saving a lot of money, a lot of building rents, and a lot of employees like security guards and tea makers and all this. But on the other hand, if we have to regain our economy, I must say that we have to put the money in the market to make the market run with the money, because a lot of small vendors are losing their jobs day by day, and we can't deny that our economy is boosted by them also. So that's why this Diwali, Nirmala Sitharaman, our finance minister, gave us the coupon codes, not the money, because they give the coupon codes, because if we use the coupon codes in the market, the money will come in the market and economy will move. So these points are also important. So work from home should be encouraged, but in some cases where there's necessary. But also we have to come back to the old situation, because our efficiency definitely improves and our time-bound schedule will help us to achieve a better health. Because many studies shows that many people are sitting long days and on a normal chair, and if you're working in an office, you have a proper chair which helps you to work proper in ergonomic ways. So this is also improving our back pain and health issues also. Very good.
Anil, you want to add something? So I think we lost him.
Sir, actually, sir, can I add and reply for 3 points that my friends shared, sir, here? Actually, Sher Bahadur shared the point of view from the, yes, sir, from the women's safety point.
Okay, sir, my connection. Hello.
Your connection is a problem. You
Yes, sir,
can remove your video. You can remove your video and try to speak.
Sir, due to COVID-19 only, the work from home culture is dominated. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
So before COVID-19, nobody knows the work from home culture. So after COVID-19 only, the work from home culture is started. So I think the advantage is going to only IT industry, not to many industry. So IT people only, they are taking the advantage of work from home. So advantage point of view is that where the travel time and the office maintenance cost, that is reduced. But the disadvantage is the company giving more work to the employee, and the training of the new staff cannot be done from company point of view. And there may be some challenges like information security and hacking. So that may be the problem of the work from home in future. So company have to information security should have to done, and it is difficult to monitor the work from home employee, how they are working or not. So that may be problem. So another problem is in the rural area, internet connection is now all where internet connection is not available, I think. So that may be disadvantage. But advantage point of view is that the flexibility of working is there. So that's my point.
Yeah, my friend, I slightly disagree with some points that as we are not discussing that rural areas will face the difficulty of digitalization. I think there is an opportunity we can see to improve the network connectivity and this all. And if the government will allow work from home to their employees, then they will also focus on the connectivity of the rural areas. So I think there is an opportunity to improve the digitalization of the India.
Actually, I would like to add, sir, here 3 points. I would like to reply to 3 points, actually, sir. Sherbadul told about the women safety and all. Actually, there are one other marginalized community, actually, disabled workers or differently able to workers. For them also, it may be helpful. And also, I do agree with Vishal that increases social isolation. Work from home may cause increased social isolation. We do need chit chats, and also I told about the office chit chat and productivity increase. How we can avoid the office chit chat and productivity, how the productivity is going to increase. But it may not be whole and all true in the case of work from home, because there are home distraction from the home and good working environment, lack of good working environment in homes. Actually, children may play, children may shout. Actually, if just assume there is an online meeting, and from one employee's side there is some distractions, then it may disturb all the team members, and it may distract all the team members. So I would like to add this 3 points also. So okay. That's also.
Okay. Means Surya also said that chit chat is not that much good. So as most of the time we say that whenever we are doing something, we should create an environment always. And we should live in that environment. We should feel that environment. Like if you are preparing for some exam or you are doing something else. So whenever you are going some industry, I think the industry people are giving you an environment to work in that environment, so that you grasp things very fastly and live in that environment and be disciplined. So in that case, you will not feel the family disturbances, as most of the friends have just pointed out this thing also. You will not feel the family disturbances, and you will get a good environment. Well, for example, if you are doing something in IT industry also, or some industry also, if you're going for the toilet with two people, along with that, you will discuss your problems, right? We are stuck at this point, and how to solve this thing. If he's senior or if he is junior, you are also guiding him. So I think chit chat is a good way at the office time also, or if they are not talking about this solving the problem, so they just got 2 minutes to go to the toilet and all. So if they are making some jokes, cracking some jokes, then also it will increase the productivity. So in this way, at least whether they are talking about the productive things, then also productively increase. If they are not talking some productive things, that means they have been bored. They not bored. They have been tired. If they are cracking some jokes, that will also increase their productivity in terms of chit chats. So I think I would like to differ at this point, which most of the people have said that means chit chat is not important at the workplace.
Yeah, my friend Said Bahadur said well that yes, it is very important for this chit chats. Also, I add some point that the depression level or the mental stress is increasing day by day during the work from home situation. A case study from Japan. Japan has initiated and make a ministry of loneliness to reduce the cases of suicides and the depression cases to fight with this. In future, maybe we also need a ministry like that if this type of work pressure continues to work from home, guys.
You see, means Akash, in Japan, most of the people who are, you see, means just Tokyo Olympic 2020 was going to be handled by this one Mori, right? He was at the age of 75 roughly, right? He was handling he was a person who was that much enthusiastic about this Tokyo Olympic of 2020. Even in COVID also, he wanted to conduct that Tokyo Olympic, right? So he was at the age of 76. And at that age, if you are, and India's youth they are in their at the age of 24, 25, right? Mostly youth are there. So I think we cannot say that if Japan has done something like that, so we'll also have to do something like that. So means it's not about making a separate ministry for that loneliness. We have family, right? They are not even married. They are living alone, but we have different type of families.
So now last round, I'll give you 30 seconds each. You will tell me 2 advantage, 2 disadvantage, very precise of work from home. 2 advantage, 2 disadvantage, 30 seconds. So Vishal.
Yes, sir. So to conclude this topic, I'd like to say that even though this work from home, we got to learn this work from home opportunity or this thing, society as a large, but means a disadvantage which we did not discuss as of now is the old age teachers, school teachers are facing a lot of problems working from home because they are not digitally literate that much as we youngsters are. So that is the problem. And the advantage is, of course, the IT sector is very much getting benefited because they are saving a lot of money and their offices, setting up offices. And one more disadvantage is that mental health of the people will get hampered a lot due to this work from home because they are not getting social they are not making any new friends, and also learnings from friends or learning from peers will be hampered very much from this work from home option.
Okay, done. Now Sheikh Bahadur, 2 advantage, 2 disadvantage.
Sir, in case of advantage, since we are dealing with Paris Climate Agreement and all, so pollution, in case of if you are working with work from home, pollution will be decreased. As Rahul said, it will be decreased by 31% during lockdown. It is good for the disabled person and good for the women also. So this is the advantage of that one. But in coming to the disadvantage, so as everyone said that social and mental life will be unbalanced in that case. And sometimes if you most of the time you are working from home and you are sharing some critical data with your company, maybe that will be malfunction and that will be hacked and that data will be lost. So I think this will be a very important point.
Akash,
as far as disadvantage is concerned, sir.
Akash,
concluding the GD, I can say the 2 benefits that we can use the time effectively, and also from the point of safety, we can stop the spread of COVID-19 and also can maintain the work-life balance. Coming to the disadvantages, I majorly said that our economy is badly affected, and also it is increasing the mental stress. That's all.
Okay, Anil.
as a conclusion, advantage point of view that advantage is it is less expensive for the company for the maintenance point of view, and another advantage is the location is not a barrier for the employee. They can work anywhere in the country for the company. So the disadvantage is the teamwork is not there. So the teamwork cannot be maintained as offline that maintained in the office. Next is the disadvantage. It is difficult to monitor the work from home employee what they are working or not. So that's it.
Okay, Surya.
Yes, sir. For concluding this GD, I want to mention some advantages, like we can have flexible schedule, and also we can spend more time with family, and also there will be somewhat security to women, and also it will be easy for physically differently able persons. And coming to the disadvantages, it makes us to work on a routine schedule, and also the one of the most concern is like security concern, because of it is especially for banking companies, and like for the advantages point of view, recently government has a proposal for imposing a somewhat higher tax for working from home, like 3 to 5%. This might be implement helpful, like if a person want to take work from home, he can do it. Otherwise, no. Like I want to conclude this.
Rahul?
Thank you for the opportunity to conclude. Since most of the points we discussed are debatable or assumptions, I would like to point out only the solid points that we all are agreeing. So I will give two benefits of work from home that we all are agreeing. That is, the commutation time will be reduced and the related benefits of environment. And second is the office space cost. So we all are agreeing on this point, these 2 points. Second, the disadvantages of work from home, 2 points. I would like to there is a striking example of there's a striking point Anil gave. It is only matching for or the suitable for IT industries. Most of the industries are still out of the box of work from home culture. So it may contribute very little to our economy like India. Even it can harm the economy of India because of this large gig workers. So this is a disadvantage. I think it is worth mentioning. And second disadvantage, I would like to point out that the home environment, which is very critical for, not only for the employee, but also for all the family. All family must have to shift to this culture, and they have to maintain a decorum of an office, not of a home. So that 2 points I would like to point out, sir.
Okay, good. So this is the pattern which was followed in I think Steel Authority of India Limited, and nowadays you can expect all kind of variation people will do. So the GD, GT, case studies, now people are changing. The observer or coordinator change the pattern then and there. So you be ready with any kind of pattern. Only thing which will remain with you is your good speaking skills. I mean, you have to speak something, you have to talk something, and you have to tell about the topic, or you have to speak. That's what we have to practice. Now, this topic was a very relevant topic, and it's a good topic. Work from home, good or bad. So what best I found was introduction, how it was to be divided was, I think Vishal could find out the classification. Vishal said there are different perspectives to this. In the introduction, I want some perspective. So he said that employee front pay, company front pay, society front pay, this is how we can talk about. Employee front pay, advantage, disadvantage, he started speaking. But Vishal, you will not get that much of time. If it is conventional GD, you will not get more than 1 or 2 minutes. People will cut you short, so you cannot afford to have that long. You overlapped the body part with the introduction. Introduction was good. I mean, you started with the right perspective. So friends, to introduce the topic, let me put this advantage and disadvantages of work from home in different perspective, from individual side perspective, from family perspective, from company perspective, something like that. So advantage from individual perspective, he can enjoy the flexible timings. He can basically save some time of commuting to the office and all. Family advantage is okay, the person is at home, little bit activities he can do, but disturbance also, family में decorum maintain करना पड़ेगा, that is disadvantage. Company के लिए advantage, rent and accommodation and AC expenditure will be less. Disadvantage, monitoring is disadvantage. So those kind of things you can say, right? Sher Bahadur started with different kind of industries. He mentioned different industries. He talked about women का advantage होगा, maternity leave वगैरह का उसको benefit होगा, and women को इसमें advantage है. Environment को focus किया शेर बहादुर ने. I don't know, शेर बहादुर, why you gave example of Tokyo Olympics? What was there in your mind when you said Tokyo Olympics?
सर कहने का मतलब यही था कि जिससे कि वहाँ ज्यादातर लोग अकेले होते हैं, ओवर एज हो जाते हैं और अकेले रहते हैं, तो इसलिए लोनलीनेस ज्यादा आता है. लेकिन इंडिया में क्या है कि यूथ है अभी बहुत ज्यादा, और हम एक न्यूक्लियर फैमिली नहीं, अभी भी कंबाइंड फैमिली की बात करते हैं, तो इसलिए वहां पर उतना लोनलीनेस की बात नहीं होगी. जो है जैसे हमें अलग से एक मिनिस्ट्री सेटअप करने की जरूरत किसी में नहीं पड़ेगी, तो हमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम मतलब उतना हम जरूरी नहीं कि हम उसको प्रमोट करेंगे.
बाद में आपने दो पोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड, डिसेबल्ड एंड वुमेन से रिलेटेड एडवांटेज बताया वर्क फ्रॉम होम का, एंड डिसएडवांटेज आपने सोशल हेल्थ एंड डाटा जो होता है क्रिटिकल डाटा, दैट क्रिटिकल टॉक अबाउट द इंडस्ट्रीज. वर्क फ्रॉम होम के बहुत से एडवांटेजेस, बहुत से डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. सबकी बात सुनने के बाद आपको बहुत से पॉइंट्स इसमें नजर आ भी जाएंगे. तो यस, द पीपल हु आर डिसेबल्ड, वुमेन, उनके लिए कंफर्टेबल है, पॉल्यूशन इससे रिड्यूस हो सकता है, लेकिन घर का एनवायरनमेंट आपको भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. मॉनिटरिंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज अ डिबेटेबल थिंग. वर्क फ्रॉम होम से वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस पे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, ये कंट्रोवर्शियल है. It may have positive impact, it may have negative impact. आपकी mental health पे negative impact, physical health पे भी negative impact. Why? Because you are not moving at all, something like that. Social health पे भी negative impact. आपका socialization नहीं होगा, and human being has to get socialized, you know. So उस पे भी negative impact पड़ेगा. Short term में हमें benefit दिख भी सकता है, long term में भी हमें benefit ना दिखे. That is the point. Then Rahul said 90% of TCS Infosys now कंपनी पर्सपेक्टिव से बेनिफिट हो सकता है. कंपनी पर्सपेक्टिव से बेनिफिट हो सकता है कुछ कंपनीज को जिनमें मॉनिटरिंग नहीं है, जिनमें टारगेट बेस्ड चीज है कि ये टारगेट मीट करो, चाहे घर बैठ के करो, चाहे बाहर ग्राउंड में बैठ के करो, चाहे कंपनी में बैठ के करो. अगर आपको कंपनी में स्पेस चाहिए तो कंपनी रेंट दे रही है, घर में अगर स्पेस चाहिए तो घर में आप रेंट दो. कंपनी के लिए अच्छा है, कंपनी को तो काम ही लेना है. तो फॉर सम कंपनीज वर्क फ्रॉम होम इज गुड. For some companies, work from home may not be good. Identify the companies. IT companies are doing good business because IT companies का rent बचता है. And the monitoring is IT companies can do better monitoring. Manufacturing company on the other hand may not do good. Teaching, education, health services they may not do good. School में टीचर को जाना ही पड़ेगा, डॉक्टर को हॉस्पिटल में जाना पड़ेगा, otherwise work from home डॉक्टर या टीचर का नहीं चलेगा. Some industries cannot work. So that is a disadvantage for that. Then you said that work from home policy लेके आई हैं ये companies full fledged. That is another thing you said. Environment pollution Rahul mentioned. Social distraction is less, he said. बैंक का डाटा प्रोटेक्टेड डाटा है तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम. बैंक के लिए भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम इज नॉट पॉसिबल. डॉक्टर्स के लिए, टीचर्स के लिए, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज के लिए, यू नो दिस जो सेक्टर है प्राइमरी सेक्टर, उसके लिए वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं चल सकता. तो देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोफेशन जिनमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं चल सकता. यू आर अ शॉपकीपर, यू आर अ फार्मर, यू आर अ डॉक्टर, यू आर अ टीचर, यू आर अ डिफेंस पर्सनल. वर्क फ्रॉम होम चलेगा कैसे? तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल किसके लिए रहा है भाई? वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है आईटी सेक्टर के लिए ओनली. और पूरे इंडिया में कितना बड़ा आईटी सेक्टर है, बाकी लोग क्या करेंगे? और वर्क आईटी सेक्टर फिर भी स्किल्ड है, जो अनस्किल्ड है वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कैसे कर लेगा? ट्रबल. ओके, देन घर का एनवायरनमेंट इज वन पार्ट, एंड मीटिंग्स गुड और बैड, दैट इज अनदर पार्ट. लॉस ऑफ गिग वर्कर्स यू मेंशन, डिसेबल्ड वर्कर Rahul you mentioned about that also. Vishal gave very good perspective, but Vishal you kept on talking a lot. Then you talked about informal chatting, grapevine communication that is called is good. That is basically absent. Work from home में वो absent हो जाएगा. That is very important. Women के लिए you said mental health problem आपने mention किया. Professional personal life में I don't know you said it is good or bad, but it is a debatable thing, right? Okay, then Anil, you said advantages and disadvantages and travel time, location problem. Anil said more work to the employees is given by the companies. That is what Anil said. And security and hacking information का problem है, internet connectivity का problem है. These points were said by Anil. बट अनिल यू नीड टू बेसिकली इंक्रीज योर एनर्जी लेवल. कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम था आपका, तो वो एक इशू रहा जिसमें मैं बहुत चीजें सुन नहीं पाया. बाद में आपने बोला कि लोकेशन इज नॉट अ इशू. एक्चुअली कंपनीज का एक्सपेंडिचर कम हो जाएगा तो कंपनी के लिए ठीक है, बट हर कंपनी के लिए ठीक नहीं है. Not every company can run like that. I tell you, I'm running the companies, I'm running the business. Monitoring, if it is not there, people will not work. People may not work. Only some people can work. जिनमें आप टारगेट बेस्ड कर दोगे, भाई इतना काम आपको करना ही करना है. और आईटी कंपनीज इसलिए सर्वाइव कर रही हैं क्योंकि उनका ऑनलाइन ही मॉनिटरिंग होता है सब कुछ. लेकिन बाकी बहुत सी ऐसी कंपनी जिनका मॉनिटरिंग ऑनलाइन नहीं होता, तो ट्रबल आ जाएगा उसमें. नो टीम वर्क, डिफिकल्ट टू मॉनिटर, दैट इज व्हाट डिसएडवांटेज. सूर्य सेट कस्टमाइज्ड इन्वायरमेंट हमें मिल जाएगा, जीरो कम्यूटिंग हो जाएगा, नेसेसरी टाइम, ट्रैफिक जैम, ये ट्रबल्स खत्म हो जाएंगी. ऑनलाइन फूड खाओगे तो खाने खोने का तुम्हारा हेल्थ खराब हो जाएगा. बेनिफिट वुमेन को रहेगा और फ्लेक्सिबल शेड्यूल है, मेंटल हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. फैमिली के साथ यू कैन स्पेंड मोर टाइम, दैट इज व्हाट सूर्य सेड. If I come to Akash said it came in COVID-19 situation. Safety is a main trouble in COVID-19, so work from home makes you safe. And time utilization is better. Mental stress is a trouble. Ergonomics के बारे में उन्होंने बात किया कि घर में जो कुर्सी लगी है वो उतनी अच्छी नहीं हो सकती जितनी ऑफिस में लगी है. Ergonomics is a part of your physical health, so that is a trouble for you. एंड मेंटल डिप्रेशन के केस आगे उन्होंने जापान का एग्जांपल दिया. लोनलीनेस मिनिस्ट्री जापान ने क्रिएट की है, दैट इज व्हाट ही सेड. अपॉर्चुनिटी, ही सेड देयर इज अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर रूरल इंडिया टू इंक्रीज द कनेक्टिविटी. यहाँ आप डेविएट कर गए थे टॉपिक से, टॉपिक वाज नॉट लाइक दैट, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज लिटिल लेटर. बट आप यहाँ पे थोड़ा टॉपिक से डेविएट कर गए. एंड इवन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लोनलीनेस मिनिस्ट्री जो क्रिएट की है, फिर शेर बहादुर ने मिनिस्ट्री की बात पकड़ ली और डेविएशन और बढ़ गया. तो यहाँ पे तुम थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो गए सब लोग. अदरवाइज लार्जली यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक ओनली, बट देन दिस वाज द डेविएशन. सो टू टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, आई थिंक आपका डिस्कशन आज अच्छा, आपने अच्छा डिस्कशन किया. अदर देन अनिल, आई कुड नॉट लिसन अनिल. एंड सूर्या ऑल्सो मेंशन प्रॉपर बात, आपने सबने अच्छी तरह डिस्कशन किया. आई थिंक शेर बहादुर, विशाल, आकाश जायसवाल, सूर्या, राहुल, यू टॉक्ड वेल. बाकी आकाश आपकी डेविएशन सी थोड़ी सी रही, डेविएशन टॉपिक से डेविएशन रही. यू नीड टू बी लिटिल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, दैट इज व्हाट आई कैन से. शेर बहादुर आप थोड़े ज्यादा बोल गए, आपने थोड़ा ज्यादा बोला इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट, जैसे आप इंट्रोडक्शन जो सेकंड पार्ट था. दूसरे पार्ट में स्टार्टिंग किया, हट ही नहीं रहे थे, बहुत ज्यादा बोले, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है. अपने काम की बात रखो, ज्यादा मत बोलो. ये इंटरव्यू में भी तुम्हारा नेगेटिव जा सकता है शेर बहादुर. तुम ज्यादा बोल रहे हो, 30% ज्यादा बोल रहे हो. 30 to 40% इंटरव्यू में भी कोई क्वेश्चन तुमसे पूछा जा रहा है, जीडी में भी तुम 30 to 40% ज्यादा बोल रहे हो, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. डोंट डू दैट. एंड विशाल, तुमने इंट्रोडक्शन में थोड़ा ज्यादा बोला, द रेस्ट इज ओके. स्ट्रक्चर तुम्हारे पास है. राहुल के पास स्ट्रक्चर भी है. राहुल थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो जाता है टॉपिक से कई बार, लेकिन आज वो टॉपिक से डेविएशन नहीं हुआ था. आकाश थोड़ा डेविएशन हुआ, लेकिन आकाश का आई थिंक इट वाज द फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन. बाकी सूर्य, इंक्रीज योर एनर्जी लेवल, यू टॉक सेंस, आप काम की बात बोलते हो, दैट इज देयर. लेकिन थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मेरे को आज ये लगा कि टॉपिक वाज वेरी इजी, यू कुड हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इट वेरी वेल. लेकिन मेरे को थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ट्रबल लगा सूर्य तुम्हारा. यू वर लेस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन योर बेसिकली putting the things, because it was very organized topic. Advantage, disadvantage, that's it. So speak it. That was the topic for you. So this is how it was. So I don't think, I mean, today if there is a GD, then you will get above average score, all of you. So that was a good topic, and that was how you have done it. And this was the pattern followed in Steel Authority as per my feedback today. Yeah.
Actually, sir, why would they change the pattern of GD, sir? What are they intended to?
See, the purpose is only to know how you can speak, and that can be done in many ways. I tell you, that can be done in many ways. So you cannot question their method of checking. So even in interview, when they ask you questions, sometimes they pressurize you, sometimes they informally talk to you, sometimes वो तुमसे मजाक करते हैं, sometimes तुम्हें डराते हैं, sometimes तुम्हें attention देते हैं, sometimes attention नहीं देते हैं. Interviews and all, they are part of that. You understand? So, but reality is, at the end of the day, they have experience. They will get to know who you are, what you are.
So, and, sir, what should be, sir, our strategy in this case? We don't have to be.
The strategy should be very simple. You know, keep to the point. Tell जितना आपको बोलना चाहिए. No bluffing. be honest, be straight. That is what the personality I'm checking.
I mean the content enrichment. I mean
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying. You should tell honestly, straight, simply, no bluffing, no superfluous additional data, no lying.
Okay.
That's it. Simple. That is what employee I want. I want to recruit someone from you. If you're bluffing me, if you're trying to show your knowledge to me, I don't want to employ you here. I want a straight employee who tells what he knows, who tells what he does not know, and tells me straight. Then my life is easy. If you want to employ
sir, only JD.
Yeah.
Sir, only JD is there or GT is there?
GD, GT, case study वो सुनो जो मैंने गौतम का डाला है, उसने बताया है सारा डिटेल में. Listen to that. Fine.
Sir, case study.
हाँ.
केस स्टडी का सर प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे सर?
नहीं, केस स्टडी किए तो था कल थे आप. केस स्टडी तो किया था कल हमने.
अच्छा ऐसा.
वो केस स्टडी एंड जीटी सेम. आप सुनो ना गौतम का क्या बोल रहा. जो केस स्टडी और जीटी हम करते हैं सेम ही चीज है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं उसमें. प्रॉब्लम देगा आपको ना, उसका सॉल्यूशन देना. दैट्स इट. राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. कीप स्ट्रेट, कीप सिंपल एंड कीप टू द पॉइंट, कीप टू द टॉपिक. दैट्स इट. इधर उधर डेविएशन नहीं.
सर एक चीज है, जैसे कि इन केस जब हम डिस्कशन हो रहा है हमारा जो है, और हम चीजों को जैसे कि लास्ट में कंक्लूड करना होता है तो मेन पॉइंट्स नोट भी करते हैं, तो एट दैट टाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम आई कॉन्टेक्ट्स ना मेंटेन कर पाए जो है, लेकिन हम कॉन्सेंट्रेट रहते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नोटिंग, क्योंकि हमें लास्ट टाइम तक याद तो रहेगा नहीं किसी ने क्या बोला था या फिर जो है उस टाइप से. तो क्या हम मैक्सिमम टाइम लिखने में स्पेंड कर सकते हैं उस समय जो है?
मैक्सिमम नहीं यार, तुम्हें तो लास्ट में 3-4 लाइनें तो बोलनी है. तो किसी ने कोई पॉइंट बोला तो लिख लो ना उसको, जैसे मैं लिखता हूँ. तो
नहीं सर, जैसे कि अभी विशाल ने और जो है सूर्या ने, इनके काफी सारे पॉइंट्स मैचिंग थे. तो जब मैं कंक्लूड करूंगा तो मैं कहूंगा कि विशाल, सूर्या और आकाश ने इतनी सारी चीजें सेम थी.
अगर तुम्हें नाम याद नहीं है तो ये बोल सकते हो, सी आई वांट टू कंक्लूड दैट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय टीम सम मेंबर्स सेड लाइक दिस एंड अनदर पॉइंट व्हिच केम ड्यूरिंग कंक्लूजन वाज दिस. नाम लेना जरूरी नहीं है. ओके. पॉइंट्स जरूरी है. पॉइंट्स तुम बोल सकते हो, अगर अच्छे पॉइंट्स याद हैं तो बोलो, बट बी अटेंटिव. I tell you honestly, 30% students are attentive in the GD, not more than that. वो इस चीज में फोकस करते हैं कि मेरे को क्या बोलना है. वो ये सुनते ही नहीं कि बाकी क्या बोल रहे हैं. ये ट्रबल है. तुम खुद चेक कर लेना. अपना GD कर रहे हो, तुम खुद चेक कर लो. तुम्हें इसमें होता है कि मैं अब क्या बोलूं, अगला पॉइंट में क्या बोलूं. तुम दूसरे को सुनते नहीं हो. अगर तुम दूसरे को सुनोगे तो तुम बोल भी अच्छा पाओगे, एंड यू विल बी इन बेटर पोजीशन टू टेल आल्सो, स्पीक आल्सो एंड कंक्लूड आल्सो एट द एंड. सो बी वेरी वेरी अटेंटिव during discussion, and if you're attentive then you will be in very good position to give your logics and arguments and topic points also. So listen very carefully to what others are saying, then you can cut them, you can add to them, you can subtract from what they are saying, so you will make sense. So listen to them attentively. You know, communication is a very important to listen also, not only speak. You need to listen also. Fine.
Yes sir.
सर ये सेल का,
yeah,
सेल का सर टोटल कितना टाइम था सर, मतलब इसका?
So I think he has explained everything. Half an hour to 45 minutes, something like that. He was saying, Gautam.
He was saying it was unlimited. He was the moderator was not.
No, he was saying that he was not stopping anybody. But that does not mean keep on speaking.
Okay.
That does not mean keep on speaking. Share
Bahadur. No, there was no time limit, sir. I think.
Huh?
There was no time limit, I think, sir.
But they were not speak. There is a time limit which you are to put on yourself.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, he is observing that this fellow is talking nonsense and nonsense and nonsense.
Nonsense. Yes,
yeah, when I take introduction, I don't stop anybody. Maybe you introduce yourself for 10 minutes or 1 hour. I will not stop you. At the end, I am telling you that you are talking nonsense. Why you keep on speaking?
This is sir, it means if you are getting this type of opportunity, means you talk and nobody is interrupting you. So at that time, I think 1.5 minutes.
अपना काम खत्म करो, अपना बोलो और बोलो now I request all of you to contribute.
Okay.
मे भी किसी के पास पॉइंट ही नहीं है तो तुम्हें अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है ना ये एक्सपोज करने के लिए कि इनके पास बोलने को कुछ भी नहीं है, तो बोलो ना, तुम्हें तो विन करना है. अपना काम खत्म करो और दूसरे को बोलो कि तुम बात करोगे.
और सर ये इसका एक डिसएडवांटेज है सर, हमको टॉपिक नहीं पता तो हमको टाइम भी दे रहा है, टॉपिक भी नहीं पता तो क्या करेंगे?
टॉपिक नहीं पता, कुछ भी नहीं बोल पाओगे तो क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे.
दूसरा तो है सर, हम आप बोला तो सर दूसरों का पॉइंट सुनो और रिप्लाई करो और एक्टिव रहो, उस स्ट्रैटेजी हम यूज कर सकता है. लेकिन इसमें तो कुछ नहीं ऑप्शन है, मतलब कंटेंट ही आपको एनरिच करना पड़ेगा.
So they can obviously do that, but very simple topic normally they give, you know, they give a very simple topic.
Okay. I mean, in this case of this kind of GDs, they will only give simple topics.
No, I didn't say that. Because today the topic given was Singapore के अंदर public car system or something, which I am sure you don't know that.
सर वो सर क्या था सर टॉपिक, वो तो समझ में नहीं आया क्या था वो।
सिंगापुर में जो कार है ना, कार तुम ऐसे इंडिया में जैसे कारें लेके घूमते रहते हो,
पॉल्यूशन वगैरह को अवॉइड करने
कार
के लिए
रखना बहुत मुश्किल है वहाँ पे।
वहाँ पर्सनल कार नहीं रख सकते हम लोग?
नहीं, उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा परमिशंस लेने पड़ते हैं और तुम्हें उसका देना पड़ता है टैक्स वगैरह, वो है। पर ट्रैफिक कंजेशन को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए टॉपिक से थोड़ा सा दिमाग रखोगे तो तुम्हें पता लग जाएगा यार, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम।
I think sir, it must be a newspaper news. I think somewhere it must be given.
Yes, it is news. It is always, it's a evergreen topic. Singapore ka public system is always evergreen topic.
Okay.
The fellow must have visited Singapore and that's why he asked. Actually, whosoever visits Singapore, he can't help asking that topic. Actually, he'll ask that topic. So I am sure that observer must have gone to Singapore. That is the first thing hit my mind. कि यार वो Singapore गया होगा. That can't help it. So because all my people whom I know go to Singapore, they talk about this. So I'm sure he must have gone there. चलो अभी बंद करते हैं and strictly we follow the 9 to 10 time slot and tomorrow we meet. ये learn करो जो मैंने आपको बताया, इसके ऊपर workout करो and we practice tomorrow also. Fine?
Yes sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.